In this video, we delve into the vital role of water in maintaining optimal health and the common pitfalls many encounter regarding hydration. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, yet many overlook its importance or make mistakes in their consumption habits. We will be sharing valuable insights with you on hydration. Viewers can look forward to discovering 8 essential secrets that will enhance their hydration practices and ultimately improve their overall well-being. Drinking water before sleep offers numerous benefits, particularly in aiding the body's nightly repair processes. Hydration plays a crucial role during sleep, as it supports cellular regeneration and helps maintain optimal bodily functions. Staying adequately hydrated can enhance the quality of your rest, allowing for better recovery and rejuvenation. However, to avoid waking up during the night for bathroom trips, consider limiting your water intake an hour before bedtime. This balance ensures your body receives the hydration it needs while promoting uninterrupted sleep. Sipping water throughout the day offers significant advantages, particularly in preventing the overwhelming of your organs. Gradual hydration allows your body to absorb water efficiently, supporting optimal function without causing stress. This consistent intake can greatly enhance mental clarity and energy levels, helping you stay focused and productive. To make this habit easier, consider keeping a water bottle handy as a constant reminder to drink. By incorporating regular sips into your routine, you can maintain hydration and enjoy the numerous benefits it brings to your overall well-being. Choosing warm or room temperature water over cold water can significantly impact your health, particularly regarding digestion. Cold water can constrict blood vessels and hinder the digestive process, making it less efficient. In contrast, warm water promotes better circulation, aiding in the breakdown of food and enhancing nutrient absorption. This can lead to improved digestion and overall comfort. We encourage viewers to pay attention to how their bodies respond when they switch to warm water, as you may notice positive changes in your digestive health and overall well-being. Timing your water consumption with meals is crucial for optimal digestion. Drinking too much water during meals can dilute stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food effectively. To maintain digestive efficiency, it's recommended to drink water either before or after meals rather than during. This approach allows your stomach to produce the necessary acids without interference. However, if you feel thirsty while eating, consider taking small sips to stay hydrated without overwhelming your digestive system. This balance can enhance your overall dining experience and support better digestion. Determining your optimal water intake is essential for maintaining good health. A common formula for calculating daily water needs is to drink half your body weight in ounces. For example, if you weigh 160 pounds, aim for about 80 ounces of water daily. However, this amount can vary based on factors such as weight, activity level, and climate. Active individuals or those in warmer environments may require more. To ensure proper hydration, consider tracking your water intake throughout the day, helping you stay mindful and meet your hydration goals effectively. Hydration before physical activity is crucial for enhancing performance and overall workout effectiveness. Proper pre-exercise hydration helps maintain optimal fluid balance, which can significantly improve endurance and strength during your workout. Additionally, staying hydrated can prevent cramps and fatigue, allowing you to push through your routine without discomfort. To maximize these benefits, it's recommended to drink water about 20 to 30 minutes before exercising. This proactive approach ensures your body is well prepared, helping you achieve your fitness goals while minimizing the risk of dehydration-related issues. Mindful drinking is essential for maximizing hydration benefits and overall health. Drinking slowly allows your body to absorb water more effectively, ensuring that your cells receive the hydration they need without overwhelming your system. This practice can also help prevent bloating, as rapid consumption can lead to excess air intake and discomfort. By encouraging viewers to focus on their drinking habits, you can promote a more conscious approach to hydration. Taking the time to sip water mindfully not only enhances absorption, but also contributes to a more enjoyable and comfortable drinking experience. Drinking high-quality water is vital for maintaining good health and well-being. Impure water can pose serious health risks, including exposure to harmful contaminants and toxins that may lead to various illnesses. To ensure optimal hydration, it's essential to choose filtered or mineral-rich water, which can provide essential nutrients while eliminating impurities. Additionally, it's advisable to avoid tap water if it contains known contaminants, as this can compromise your health. By prioritizing high-quality water, you can safeguard your body and enhance your overall hydration experience. Drinking water first thing in the morning is a powerful habit that can significantly benefit your health. After a night of sleep, your body is often dehydrated, and rehydrating helps restore fluid balance, kickstart your metabolism, and flush out toxins accumulated overnight. This simple act can enhance your energy levels and improve overall well-being. Additionally, consider replacing your morning coffee with a glass of water. This can lead to better focus and mental clarity throughout the day. Embracing this practice sets a positive tone for your hydration habits moving forward. In summary, we've explored 8 essential secrets to improve hydration and overall health. Drink water before sleep, sip throughout the day, choose warm water, time your intake with meals, hydrate before physical activity, practice mindful drinking, opt for high-quality water, and start your morning with a glass of water. Implementing these tips can significantly enhance your well-being. We encourage you to adopt these practices and notice the positive changes in your health. Please consider supporting us by clicking on the links in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others to spread the knowledge.